A six-wheel drive expedition monster with the comfort of a luxury penthouse and the freedom to disappear into the wilderness for months. This machine isn't just a motorhome. It's built for a completely different way of living. This is the Toyota USA 6x6 Explorer, a Toyota-powered 6x6 expedition concept wrapped in bold stars and stripes livery, built to look like nothing else on the road. And by the time this video's over, you're gonna understand why this might be the most extreme concept motorhome we've ever covered. Stick around. The interior alone is gonna blow your mind. Sitting on a massive 6x6 platform, the Explorer wears a distressed American flag wrap from nose to tail. Part tactical, part patriotic, impossible to ignore. Up front, an aggressive Toyota-badged grille sits flanked by sharp LED projector headlights, with a full light bar mounted above the windshield, throwing red and blue accents across the hood. Down low, a heavy-duty front bumper houses a mounted winch, because out here, getting stuck isn't an option. But that's just the front end. Walk around this thing, and it only gets more insane. The living box stands tall along the side. Multiple windows, reinforced heavy-duty entry doors, and rows of external storage compartments running underneath. The roof is fully loaded. Cargo cases, a spare tire, solar panels, and that light bar up front tying the whole look together. Around back, a solid rear bumper, tow hitch, and another spare mounted high. And then there are the wheels, the standout feature of the entire build. Massive expedition-grade tires up front, aggressive mud terrain tires on the rear tandem axle, all wrapped around blacked-out steel rims that finish off the beast aesthetic perfectly. This thing doesn't roll into a campsite. It arrives like a statement. Powering all of this is expected to be a heavy-duty diesel setup, likely a twin-turbo inline-6 or V8 diesel, producing somewhere in the 400 to 500 horsepower range, paired with full-time 6x6 drive and a terrain select system built to handle deep mud, sand, and rock crawling, all while hauling a fully furnished home on its back. Inside the cockpit, a large floating touchscreen runs the infotainment system with full CarPlay integration, while a digital gauge cluster blends analog dials with a live display. Safety tech includes crawl control, multi-terrain ABS, hill descent control, and an overhead SOS button for when you're truly out there alone. Quick gut check. If you're still with us, drop 6x6 in the comments, because what's behind this door is nothing like what you'd expect from the outside. Step inside, and the adventure machine instantly transforms into a rolling luxury retreat. Ivory white premium leather wraps the main living space, with gold trim accents running throughout. A full sectional sofa faces itself across a marble-top center table, with a massive flat-screen TV mounted on the wall and mood lighting wrapping the whole cabin. This isn't camping. This is a 5-star suite that happens to have 6x6 drive. The kitchen runs a full marble countertop with a double stainless sink, gold pull-down faucet, induction cooktop, built-in microwave, and a full-size fridge, stocked and ready, with pull-out drawers holding gold cutlery and ceramic dinnerware. The master bedroom at the rear is pure hotel suite territory. A king-size bed, an Art Deco gold geometric headboard, a fur throw, dual AC units, and warm cove lighting wrapping the entire room. The bathroom keeps it clean with a white and oak theme, double vanity, glass shower with an overhead skylight, and a compact toilet. Everything you need, nothing you don't. So after everything you've just seen, the drivetrain, the tech, the 5-star interior, there's one question left. How much does something like this actually cost? Based on current pricing trends for builds at this level, the Toyota USA 6x6 Explorer would likely carry a price tag somewhere between $800,000 and $1.5 million, depending on spec and build options. Yes, that's supercar and small yacht money, but you're not just buying a vehicle, You're buying a fully self-sufficient expedition rig, a luxury home, and an off-road beast, all in one package. What makes the Explorer stand out isn't just the 6x6 capability, and it isn't just the luxury interior. It's that it refuses to compromise on either. Most expedition vehicles pick a side. This one doesn't. So here's the question for you. If you had this rig for one unforgettable journey, coast to coast, deep backcountry, or somewhere off every map, where would you take it first? Drop your answer below. And if you want more of the world's most extreme concept motorhomes, hit subscribe to Concept RVs. This is just the beginning.